In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Drive link for your photos and share them with anyone easily. First, open Google Drive and log in to your account. Click on New Folder, create a folder, and upload your photos. Right-click the folder, Share, select Anyone with the link, set to Viewer, Copy Link. For single file, if you want to share only one photo, simply upload the photo directly to Drive. Then right-click the photo, click Share, select Anyone with the link, set to Viewer, Copy Link. That's it. Now you can share either a full folder or a single photo link easily. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.